Last thing we do on a plot is usually the stand data. And we like to do it at the end so that we've had a chance to really see everything on the plot, get to know what the codominant layer is, or like the canopy layer versus the subcanopy. And also, by now we've seen a lot of seedlings to see if they've been browsed or not. We know what the quadrat species were. So now I'm going to do stand data. So crown closure, pretend all the trees are leafed out. There still is a bit of a gap in this plot, and you can often tell also by how much shade or not shade there is on the ground. And on this plot, I'm standing at the edge, kind of looking towards the middle. There's a big hunk of no trees. So I am going to say that canopy cover is just under 25% of a gap. So 50 to 75 is the crown closure. Stand structure is a multi-age. We have multi-ages of trees. Deer browse line, I didn't see any signs of deer browse on the plot. There's no water on the plot. There's definitely microtopography. So you can see there's kind of pit and mound. It's not anthropogenically flattened. Bare soil, again, this is exposed mineral soil. There's really just a small amount of that trail running through, otherwise there's no bare soil, and it's not enough to be 1%. On a mid-Atlantic plot, to be 1%, it needs to be 4 square meters, which is, I don't see 4 square meters of bare soil. Rock, there's this one rock here. There's really not that much rock. I don't think it's enough to be 1%, so 0. Trampled, again, it's not enough to be 1%. Surface water, there's none. Non-vascular plants, it's actually quite a bit. I'm thinking 5 to 25. And then lichen, I don't see enough to really, I don't see enough to be 1%, so 0. Percent low vascular cover, so this is 0 to 0.5, or 0 to half a meter. So there's some of the spruce in here, a couple balsam. I'm going to give it 5 to 25. It's also just a lot of not vegetated. Mid is half a meter to 2 meters. Now we're picking up these white pine, some balsam. I'm going to say 25 to 50. And then high is 2 meters to 5 meters, which is can be kind of hard to tell, but I think it is 25 to 50. There's no disturbance within the last 4 years. And then the last thing is tree height. And unfortunately, I don't have charged True Pulse batteries, so I can't do tree height. But this is the time we would do it. We would do 3 codominant and 3 intermediate if you have that many. And we use our Tree Pulse to measure the distance and the height. And then, or the distance and the angle, and that gives us height. So that's it for stand data.